What if your current diet and fitness routine could be taken to the next level? What if the secret to gaining muscle and improving your bodybuilding performance lay in something as simple as the food you eat? Welcome to the carnivore diet, a dietary approach that focuses on high-quality animal-based foods. Now, you might be wondering, how does this diet work? Well, it's all about prioritizing protein. Protein is the building block of muscle, essential for growth and repair. And where better to get quality protein than from animal sources? Think beef, chicken, pork, fish, eggs, and dairy, if your system can handle it. But it's not just about lean cuts. The carnivore diet encourages you to embrace the fatty cuts of meat. These provide essential fats and energy, fueling your workouts and aiding recovery. Ribeye steak, pork belly, and fatty fish like salmon are all excellent choices. Don't overlook organ meats either. Liver, kidney, heart. These might not be your typical menu items, but they're packed with vitamins and minerals that not only support overall health, but also muscle function. And let's not forget eggs, a complete protein source rich in nutrients. Eggs are a must-have in your carnivore diet. Scrambled, boiled, or incorporated into a recipe, they offer versatility and nutrition in one neat package. However, even with the most well-rounded carnivore diet, there might be occasions when supplementation is necessary. Vitamins D and K2, omega-3 fatty acids, and electrolytes might need a boost from time to time. And while we're on the subject of liquids, remember the importance of water. Hydration is critical for muscle function and overall health. So keep that water bottle close by. Monitoring your progress is also crucial. Keep track of your muscle gains, strength improvements, and overall well-being. Your diet should be adjustable based on your progress and how you feel. Some people see benefits from timing their meals around workouts. Consuming protein and fats before and after training could support muscle growth and recovery. Try it out and see if it works for you. And remember, your body is unique. It's important to pay attention to how you feel on the carnivore diet. If you notice any negative symptoms or deficiencies, don't hesitate to tweak your diet or seek advice from a healthcare professional. To maximize your muscle gains, combine the carnivore diet with a consistent strength training routine. Focus on compound exercises like squats, deadlifts, bench presses, and rows. The key, as always, is consistency. Stick to your carnivore diet, stay dedicated to your workouts, and give your body time to adapt and grow. After all, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a bodybuilder's physique. Your commitment to this protein-packed, nutrient-dense diet could open up a new chapter in your fitness journey. So are you ready to take the challenge?